Yeah, YouTube, what's good? How you doing right now? Making this good old fish soup I just made. Right now, I'm gonna let y'all know what I made. Okay, I'm on my healthy stuff today. I just wanted to, let my, how you say it, my body, my soul breathe. I just need some oxygen. So this is what I made, y'all. I made fish soup, West Indian style. I put okra, yam, corn. I season it with black whole pepper, sea salt. Yes, sea salt. Whole cloves. A little this, little that. I ain't gonna let y'all know too much, but
You making yummy food?
yes, I'm making yummy food.
And
A little
healthy
cilantro. It's healthy food, Stinky. Yeah, so this is what's happening, Captain. See, I got the little habanero pepper in it. So this is what's happening. Mmm. So delicious, y'all. The broth is delicious. Hands down. Hands down. So this is happening, y'all. Right now for the kids.